Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a while. I did the fashion month and I got a little bit not so well after, so we skipped a few videos, but we are here with a big haul. I've got like a mixed type of haul. There's a couple of premium high street items in there, and there's Italian brands, basically a lot, and I ordered quite a bit from MYTHERESA myself, so let's get through it together. First thing I wanted to show you guys is this jacket from All Saints. All Saints is a brand that I've always loved, and I have like a cupboard full of their knitwear because every year I buy like 3 or 4. They're such good value for money, and I think I have like the Ridley jumper in like all colors it has ever come out, so massive fan here. So I got this bomber jacket. This is what I actually wore to the All Saints show with like navy shorts and yellow color accessories. I will like put the pictures here, and yeah, this is really very well done. And I thought like the reason I picked this up, like I can wear it to the show, but it's so really cool to like have this item on your wardrobe. You can wear it in the winter, in the spring. Not a summer jacket, but like for the spring this is like perfect. And inside is orange, so it's a really cool one, and has got this beautifully embroidered thing on the back. And then I went to the Marge presentation, and then they kindly gifted me this outfit, so I wanted to show you the different parts of the outfit. So the first thing is this really gorgeous baby pink top. This is a ribbed pattern, and it's got this Marge logo on the front, and yeah, it's a really cool piece. I can, this is the kind of thing that is sweet and cute, and like you can wear it in so many different ways. I could really dress this up or dress this down, and like with all Marge things, it's great quality. Lots of people think like, okay, a top like this I could buy from anywhere, but actually these tops last years and years, so they are really worth the money. So I am actually going to take this to our next destination as well, which you will find out fairly soon, and it's a summer destination, and I can't wait to wear pink. I feel like, with the whole spring coming, I feel like I'm slightly obsessed with pink again. I surprised myself because I hardly have had anything in pink in my wardrobe, and now all of a sudden I'm getting a lot of pink. I think it's just this weather is so bad right now. I want the spring so badly. And the rest of my outfit was this beautiful pink suit, and I have the trousers with me. Dry cleaners has the jacket, I'm afraid, because I spilled a bit of coffee in there. So these are really gorgeous trousers. Marge always have really stunning trousers that are not super trendy but always very classy, that you could either wear it to work or wear it to brunch with the girls kind of vibes. And I didn't have to do any tailoring on that, which is often the question that I get for trousers. I'm 5'4" for reference, so on this, if I wear heels like 8.59 centimeter heels, I don't have to order this. So when I wear trainers, I tend to wear one with like a little bit of platform. That's my like secret to like increasing my highs a little bit. So these are really gorgeous trousers, and I can't wait to wear these in the spring. I will often wear it with a white shirt, or I could wear it with like a tank top as well. And like obviously you could wear this as a part of the suit as well. I will put the pictures of the blazer on the side screen now for you guys to see properly. Moving on to shoes a little bit, I've got these trainers. Again, these were part of my Marge outfit. They are so cool. When I saw, I mean, when you go to a show, some brands sometimes pick up few people they want to dress for that occasion. So you're being sent a lookbook from which you choose the items that you wish, and then sometimes you can select like multiples and then send, and then they will give you the one that has stock available, etc. In this case, I mean, I love Marge. I selected a few things and they sent me the entire outfit, which is so kind of them. And these are some gorgeous sneakers. I think I am going to be bold and say these are the best looking sneakers I have at the moment. They're the most fun, most colorful. And they're super comfy. Not every pair of trainers is equally comfortable. These are very, very comfortable, very stylish, and I love wearing like a pair of formal trousers and a white shirt and something fun like this. It's very me, because like formal and like playfulness all in one kind of outfit. So you're going to see a lot of these ones on my Instagram. Actually, for those of you don't know that I'm mainly on Instagram, I mean YouTube is a new thing, so I will put my Instagram in on the side screen again. If you're interested in like coming and saying hi to me on Instagram, please do so, and you will also actually be able to see all the styled versions of the outfits. More like you will be able to see how I repeatedly style the same piece differently. So yeah, going back to the obsession with pink, I think I made a vow at some point, oh, I'm not going to wear anything hot pink again, because I think I saw too much of Valentino hot pink. But when I saw this furler bag, it was like love at first sight. This is so beautiful. Just to be transparent, this is a gift very kindly from Furler. I went to their presentation and I got given this as a present for supporting the brand and featuring it, and yeah, absolutely love it. It's the kind of thing I would buy anyway. Like I have seen Furler bags a lot, and I have bought a couple of bags in the past as well, so it's gorgeous, so cute, so cute, and yeah, can't wait to wear this in the spring and summer. Actually, this haul has a lot of bags, and that's just like, sometimes like some hauls have a lot of outfits like ready to wear, and some has a lot of bags or accessories. The bag that I wore to Marge's show was this one. I picked this because this is the classic style of Marge bag. This is very recognizable Marge, yet hardly has any logo other than this teeny tiny logo that you have to like really look into this to see that. I really like that. And this was like a really fun bag, and I don't have anything quite like that. I actually don't have a lot of silver bags, so this video is going to feature 2 silver bags. It does have this shoulder strap as well. I quite like this style of bag, but if you are not into silver or like this kind of metallic kind of hues, you could go for this bag but in like solid leather, different colors. I will put various different kind of, basically all the other variations that I can find online in the description box with all the links down below. But I actually had so much fun with this bag. This is the kind of, also I was thinking, if you're going to music festivals, I mean this is just so vibing that, so that I think will make a good purchase for like if you're going for festivals and like want like a fun weekend bag kind of a thing. And yeah, you can carry it both ways, so top handle or shoulder strap. So the second silver bag featured in this haul is part of MYTHERESA haul, which I filmed once, and I don't know what happened to the footage, like everything was super blurry. So my husband told me that I put the focus wrong when I was filming, so we're filming this again. So I bought this from MYTHERESA, and this is a Simkai bag. This has got a lot of compliments during the fashion month. I wore it in Milan and in Paris, maybe once or twice in London, and basically I just kind of this bag already been worn so many times, despite the fact that it's maybe like a month and a half old. I've worn it, I don't know, 20 times already, but like because I don't have like a lot of clutch bags, and I don't have any other clutch in silver, this is sort of my go-to. Plus the fact that I love the fact that this is a mirror. You know, when you're in the car, like you're off to an event or something, you can quickly like check yourself in that. And I love the shape, very classy and fairly easy to open. It's a little bit dirty, sorry. And there you go. It does not fit the iPhone 15 Pro Max. by like a teeny tiny kind of a millimeter or two. The thing is, I have not tried to squeeze it either, so if you squeeze it, maybe it could happen. But Simca is a brand that I have kind of looked into previously, but I believe this is my first Simca purchase, and I'm quite intrigued by how affordable they are in the space of luxury, like relative to other luxury bags like this. This is on the more inexpensive spectrum of prices. So, and the quality is actually quite good for that price. I bought it, bear in mind, I bought it in the MYTHERESA sale, so the price was even lower. I mean, it was such a good deal. When I looked into it, there weren't many left. I think there's still like few left, so I'll still link the bag. If you guys are looking for a silver clutch bag that is elegant and classy and timeless, this is a good choice. Shall we mix it up and do a pair of shoes? If you look into my shoe closet, it has like at least a dozen pair of Jimmy Choo shoes. I've been buying Jimmy Choo for the last 10 years or so, so it's not like a new brand to me. But when I saw these shoes, it just felt like Jimmy Choo, but so elevated. Like Jimmy Choo's already kind of very luxurious, very well done. Like the quality is super crystal. Like if you think of occasion shoes, you think of Jimmy Choo. But when I saw this, their orchid collection, I felt like that's couture level, if you know what I mean. The work, and they are also more expensive than the other ones. I will put all the links below. So this is an absolute and utter masterpiece. These are from their orchid collection. You basically feel like orchids are growing on your feet in golden color. I already have like Jimmy Choo black sandals, the Asia sandals. They are one of the very best heels, by the way, and I got these. I think these are about 9 centimeters tall, and look how cute the heel is. Like, do you see that? Like, it's like so cute. Yeah, I mean, I absolutely love it. Just can't wait to wear this. I wanted to unbox this on YouTube so I can actually start wearing this. Another thing that I got MYTHERESA, basically for this, I filmed an unboxing video for Instagram this morning. I am off to, we're both off to, my husband and I are off to a sunny location next week. So I got this as a sunny location kind of a bag. I was looking at like my clutch collection and I don't have any summer clutches. So I looked at, MYTHERESA has one of the best YSL collections. Like, I've seen the kind of YSLs that are only available either on YSL site or in stores, but MYTHERESA seems to have them, and their buying team, MYTHERESA buying team, if you're listening, chef's kiss. Like, honestly, when someone is that good at their job, you've got to really admire it. And I love shopping with MYTHERESA. It's also like super easy. You just order it, shows up on your doorstep, and when you don't, if you decide if you don't want it, like, they come and pick it up for you. And the customer service is so friendly. Also, I've realized when you shop in MYTHERESA, sometimes like things come from different locations. So I've received things from France or Germany or UK, etc. So it's like you are more likely to score an item on MYTHERESA, I personally have found, than anywhere else. So without further ado, the bag that I got is a little clutch bag from YSL. I was like, let me get this kind of little straw clutch from YSL. This could be a day clutch as well. Let me put this down. This is a day clutch, and then when you open, it looks fairly simple. This is their standard envelope clutch that I think comes in various different versions as well, and it's got like one pocket inside. Just before you ask, it obviously does fit the iPhone, the biggest one. Yeah, this will be coming with me on the trip. I think it'll look perfect with a white outfit, like an all white outfit. And I think if you want to go out in the evening, it'll go with like a nice long evening black dress or even a white dress. I think because it's fairly neutral color, it'll go with loads of different colors, and which is perfect for holidays. You just pack one clutch and you're sorted for almost all of your evening outfits. So yeah, this is my latest baby. I've got one more bag to show you, and this is a bag I've been looking at for a long time. I'm thinking whether or not to buy. It's like to be or not to be. But finally I was like, I'm gonna buy it, and I'm going to, when it arrives, I will have a look. If I don't feel like I love it, I can always return. That's a good thing with MYTHERESA. It's so easy to return. So I ordered it, I unboxed it, fell absolutely head over heels in love with it, decided to keep it, and just honestly became my favorite black bag. Like how, like I have loads of black bags, and I have like brands which are more expensive than this, but this is such a beautiful, like quiet luxury, versatile, like I don't know, there's something about this bag is just like so good, and every time I wear it I get so many compliments. And that is the Toteme T-lock bag. So I say bag, but it could also be a clutch, so I can wear it like an evening clutch. That's one, it's very easy. But when you open the T-lock, and the logo is very, very teeny tiny, and when you close the bag you don't see it. It has a shoulder strap, and that you could wear it like a side bag or a crossbody bag. I mean, this then becomes like the daytime bag. So it's really versatile. So many people DM me asking, can you recommend like a luxury handbag as like as an entry-level luxury bag, or can you recommend a bag that's under £1,000 or €1,000 or dollars? And there you go, this is it. This is £750, I think, in the best of my memory, and it's a day bag as well as an evening bag. It's 100% leather, and it's elegant, classy. I mean, yeah, there's nothing wrong I could tell you about it. And inside it, it's got a card wallet, so you can put, when you go out in the evening, you can put all of your cards in there, so you don't need to carry a wallet, and then you've got one big compartment. This bag actually fits a lot more than you would think. So iPhone, makeup, what else, house keys, car keys, like even like a small makeup bag, because it's really spacious. And when you close, you see like there's quite a lot of depth to the bag as well as width and length. So it has honestly been one of the best purchases of the year so far. I mean, I very much think this will make into 2024 best purchases. Let's see. But I'm very hopeful, because how much I've used it already. Ever since I bought her, all of my black bags have never seen the light of the day, because I always just sort of gravitate towards this. So yeah, this is the last item, and I will put all the links down in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your time, and I appreciate you coming to the channel. So if you like this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. I'm trying to grow my little community here so we can all be friends. And if you have anything that you would like to tell me, your opinions, questions, comment section is always open for you guys. So I will see you on the next one. Bye.